it's actually getting sold now. I made my mind up. It is going to sell. Go! No, why? It's going. We asked for permission and they granted. They say, yes, you can go ahead. Absolutely amazing look in the 2019. This as well, Astra. We're going crazy here. Look at how many trucks. Alright, right now I just finished work and then I had a brilliant idea about doing something with my life because I want to do something. And the best idea I came up with was selling my car. The reason that I want to sell it is to buy a truck and a trailer and trying to start something on my own, which is something that I actually want to do. And the reason being is because when you got a car like this and you work the kind of job that I do and you get that, so you got to do a lot of things, and this is one of them. The first one is taking care of it. Look at the material of this, it gets dirty quite easy. If I sit on it with this clothes, it will get dirty straight away. But what I do is I put this sheet on. Second one is dirty trainers. I need to take them off before I get in, obviously. Even when you get in, you have to be careful without touching anything because sometimes you get greasy hands in this job. Don't get me wrong, it's an amazing car. I love every bit of it, otherwise I wouldn't bought it. I've been with it for about a year now. It's been parked here for a whole week. I haven't used it. Since I bought it, I only done about 2,500 miles. I haven't enjoyed it and it's roasting away. And the value of the car is going rapidly down. So I'm thinking, what should I do? Should I go home and then get all my stuff and trying to sell it? Or not trying. We are getting rid of it because we are getting a truck. And the aim of this is one day be like this. It's about I don't know how many trucks I got, but it's loads. My inspiration is to sell this guy. Look at him. Gonna have to sell out, mate. God, no, I don't want to do that. No, it's gonna go. No, why? I'm doing what I need to do right now. These guys are doing a fabulous job, so it's actually getting sold now. I made my mind up. It is going to sell, so let's do that. I just arrived home, gonna have a quick search on the internet and see which one is the best car that I can find. Well, find out the price of the car, how much is it going for. So Auto Trader, I think it's my best option to have a look. Yeah, Auto Trader, 24,000, 25 let's say, that's the price of it. So same car, yeah, exactly the same car, exactly the same with all the exhaust, everything, same seats, everything. So now that I have an idea what I want to sell it for, all I can do is find out the best price. I got offered for it 23,340. I will be losing about £1,200, but they come and get it. So all I need to do now is just put like yes, and they will come and get it, or I will take it. It's for me to decide. If they come and get it, they pay a little bit less. But if I take it, I might get a little bit more money, and that going towards the truck. So yeah, it's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. I decided to sell the car, booked the appointments I already showed you yesterday. So what's the time you're saying goodbye to my beautiful, amazing car? So I didn't want to do this, but saying goodbye to it is not that bad, to be honest, when you know like you're gonna start something, I don't know, later on in the future, be able like to get a McLaren and stuff like that. But it's not that bad. The guy's just checking over the car now, putting all the box away. He checked the service history, everything completely fine. The car's a sports on, no scratches on it. He's having a look around the car as well. Gonna go to the office. You can listen to my voice. I know I actually don't want to sell it, but everything for the purpose. Tell me about it. Looks alright, innit?
The engine, beautiful.
Well, what do you think about the car?
Beautiful car, man.
It's going there, like, okay, we saw the car now. Yeah, we got everything we needed. What do you think?
It's a sad day.
It's not. Because we're
Onwards and upwards.
You want to say that again?
Onwards and upwards.
We're gonna do something amazing now. So I have done it. Like, I sold my car. This is gonna be interesting because now, with the money I got,
we're gonna go buy a Scania.
I don't know, what about a Volvo? No. Mercedes,
maybe.
Hey,
Insurance wasn't too much.
I don't know, guys, but this is gonna be a new chapter in the channel and in our lives as well. And we're back now, and it's been already, how long has it been, babe?
2 weeks.
So it's been 2 weeks since I sold the car, and we got the money. So already in the bank, waiting to clear and everything. She thinks it's not a good idea buying a truck.
Ooh, it's a little bit risky, isn't it?
It's a risky idea, but it's gonna be worth it on the long run. Why don't you agree with it?
It's just a bit of a volatile industry, isn't it, trucking, being an owner-operator?
It's so true what the Mr. says there, because there's so many companies to starting from the bottom with absolutely nothing, buy a truck and they think everything's gonna be alright, and it doesn't work out. But we're taking that risk, and everybody should take a risk in their life. No risk, no winning. So we're actually taking that risk, so let's do it. But the thing is, we're not gonna be on an operator straight away, we're just gonna use it for the channel.
Scania's nice.
Alright, we have arrived. Can see the trailer straight away, so we're gonna go and find out what we can do with this. So, what's your opinion on this?
It's exciting, really, isn't it?
It's gonna be exciting. It's something new, and something new for the channel as well. So, how much are we gonna spend on this?
£70,000.
17.
70.
Oh no, we don't reach that bush yet. So we go.
Yes.
So
Here we go again, guys.
We just walk into one of the showrooms, and the office is obviously on that way, but we're on this way. And look at how many trucks. It goes the line all the way back there. So it's loads to choose. So which one?
I don't know. I haven't a clue.
All right, we went to the office. We asked for permission, and they granted. They say yes, you can go ahead.
The only condition was I've got to wear the sexy jacket.
So wearing a sexy jacket, and this is all the trucks around there. So we're having a little look and find out what do we actually want. And that's a Scania. That's a Scania V8. That's the one that we're saying. They recommended this one. What do you think? Got the lights, got a V8 there, and it's a 2012. Told you. So maybe have a look on the inside. Jump in. Go on.
Are we allowed in?
Go on, Bessiter. Go on. Sit on that chair. Sit on that chair. And we're in the truck now. Smells like something in here.
Smoke.
So, whoever had it before, let's see what else. Oh, yes. Coffee maker.
Oh, let's buy it.
Straight away. It's starting in a good place.
Sold.
Microwave, I can see there.
Yeah.
Oh. Microwave.
So would that have come with the original truck, or is that something they've put in?
That's something that I don't know. If you know that, please put it down, because we don't know if it comes without you. Something you put in there. There's a lot of buttons as well. I have never drove a Scania.
What was the mileage on this?
I need to have a look. Oh, we're thinking about it. We are thinking about it. Big 8. The alloys has been polished and everything as well. The tires look absolutely mint. That's a good thing as well. The box is intact. Yeah, I think that needs changing as well. And the exhaust is absolutely massive. It's a twin. It's on both sides, so as you can see on the other side, it comes on the out from the middle and goes out both sides. But what we can do is, when we start repairing it, put in both sides and make it go up. That's an idea. It is slow to look about. I actually need a mechanic to come around, which I'm gonna be calling Alex later on to come and have a look. Oh, 15. What do you think? We're thinking, we got all these Scanias, but they way out of our budget. We're going crazy here. Look at how many trucks. We're like in trucking well, and it's too much to choose from. Mercedes as well. Astra. Really like Mercedes as well. Bobos. You like the Bobos? If you're looking for trailers as well, Jesus, it's a whole line of trailers as well. It's massive. It's a whole fleet of Scanias, like a whole fleet. Look at that, wow. So how high are you, mate?
5'4".
She's 5'4". And look at how big the trailer looks. And that's not even a double decker. If you're looking for tippers as well, loads of tippers around. Low loaders, tippers, curtain size, box trailers, there are absolutely loads of them. So we just got an eye as well on this stuff. I think it's a, oh no, hold on. So it's a 2018 plate and it's a 530 horsepower. It's been shiny around, it's been well looked after, as you can tell, and it's a rear lift axle as well. So really like this one, but what does it look like on the inside? It looks clean. Wow, look at this. Is that sensible going for the DAF? Need to think about that one. So what do you think?
I think it's the brown putting me off. It's not like a sexy colour, is it?
It's a 2018, and what do you think?
It looks older. It looks like 1972.
972. She said that, no me, so no rip me off. Just go for it. I just found out they got 55 tons in that, and that DAF as well, and a low loader. They got their own mechanics and stuff in here. It's quite amazing the process there. Everything around there looks amazing. I have seen few vehicles as well. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing that right, but are they trucks any good? Never drove one. A lot of people say a lot of bad things about them, but are they any good? The missus is taking pictures out of the V8 as well. It's a now 580. Tires look in absolutely mint condition. It's a rear lift axle. Sorry, it took me a while to think about that. And yeah, looks in so right conditions, to be honest. Oh, let's have a look at this now. Oh, it's kind of big. Oh, that's nice.
That's better than the other one anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice. Looks a little bit better, to be honest. Yeah. She's getting coffee for me. Wasn't this one? What wasn't this one? You got a microwave this way. Oh, microwave on that one. This is gonna leave it here now. We look 2B8. Thinking about which one we like the most. I never drove a manual. I have never drove a manual one, but this one looks like in better conditions, and she's gonna teach me how to ride this one as well. So we're out for that.
Exactly.
So gonna go to the office, talk to the guy now, and then we're gonna think about this because it's a big spending. So we do that. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and all that kind of stuff. Cheers, guys.